So one of my favorite things to do is open house coaching. See, I built my career on open house coaching. And my first year in the business, I did 80 deals and I did most of them by open houses. I absolutely love them. They're absolutely awesome. So here's the thing. I spent years studying them, best systems, best models, highest level conversions at open houses. And I believe I've created what I think is the best coaching system on them. So one of our clients, the Golfi Team, which is awesome, they're #1 team. So they brought me in on the weekend. I came in on Saturday and I did live open house coaching with the entire team. Then I went out the following day and I shadowed their open houses and corrected them and coached them in the moment. And what we saw was remarkable. I mean, the improvement, the skills, the passion, the excitement that agents have for open houses, it's a system. It's not a task, okay? It's the easiest way to build your business, but it's also the highest loss of revenue that I see on teams as a coach. But it's also the easiest source of revenue for me to see you guys as team owners or agents build upwards that doesn't cost you very much. It's unbelievable. So my best piece of advice to you guys is this, okay? First thing is that treat open houses like a business. When you see it as a business, you'll start to study it more. You'll look at the numbers more. You'll see the conversions better. Don't treat it as a task that you have to get over in 2 hours. Invest the time, the energy, the coaching, the systems around it. If the #1 team is doing it and they're investing in it, that's got to tell you something.
Let's do this!